Business Calculus, Topic 1, Homework Problems 12 and 13. Number 12, find a linear equation whose graph is a straight line with a given property, that it goes through the point 1/4, -1, and is parallel to this line, 4x minus 5y equals 9. Well, in order to create lines, we use the point-slope formula, and the point-slope formula requires a point and a slope. Well, we have a point right now, which is 1/4, -1. We just don't have a slope. So, since we need to be parallel to this line, we can use the slope from this line. To find the slope of 4x minus 5y equals 9, we have to solve for y. So we'll subtract 4x from both sides, and we get -5y equals -4x plus 9. Divide everything by -5, and we end up with y equals +4/4 x minus 9/5. And here we have that our slope is 4/5 for this line. And to be parallel, we're going to use the same slope. So now, using the slope 4/5 and the point 1/4, -1, we're going to find the equation of the line. So the opposite of y will be +1, slope is 4/5, and the opposite of x is -1/4. I will distribute my 4/5, and I'll get 4/5 x minus, the 4's will cancel, and I'll get -1/5. Now I'll subtract 1 from both sides, and I end up with y equals 4/5 x. When I add the -1/5 and the -1 together, I can add a -1/5 and a -5/5 together, which would be a -6/5. And this will be the equation of my line. Okay. Number 13. Number 13, we want to find an equation whose graph is a straight line with a given property. It goes to the point 0.5, 3, and is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y equals 12. Well, again, to create equations of lines, we use the point-slope formula. The point-slope formula requires a point and a slope. And we already have a point, which is 0.5, 3. We just don't have a slope. So let's get the slope. The slope is going to be parallel to this equation. So let's find the slope of this equation. 4x minus 2y equals 12. We're going to solve for y. So minus 4x on both sides. We get -2y equals -4x plus 12. Divide everything by -2. And we get y equals 2x minus 6. And my slope is 2. 2 rather. Okay. Alright, so again, y equals 2x minus 6. That means our slope is 2. So we're going to use the slope of 2 over here, and then create the equation of our line. So y, the opposite of y will be -3, the slope will be 2, and the opposite of x will be -0.5. Now I distribute my 2, I get 2x, and 2 times -0.5 will be -1. Add 3 to both sides, and I end up with y equals 2x plus 2. And this is the equation of my line.